Hi family, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are joining for the very first time, welcome. My name is Barbara Nicole, and on this channel we discuss all things fashion, fragrances, and lifestyle content. So if that's something you might be interested in, come rock with your girl. So as you can tell from the title, today's video is the 333 challenge. What is the 333 challenge, you might ask? I'm glad you did. So the 333 challenge is when you take 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 pair of shoes, and you make over 9 different looks from just those few items, okay? This challenge has been very popular on YouTube, on TikTok, and what I love about this challenge is if you are anything like me, I do not like to check luggage, okay? If I'm traveling, I prefer to have all of my things fit into my carry-on, if I can. So that doesn't always work out for me. But with the 333 challenge, that will definitely help us to be able to hone in on items that are important to our wardrobe, to our looks when we're traveling. And of course, we're coming into the summer months where a lot of people are traveling for summer vacations, or you may be traveling for business or for leisure, whatever it may be. The 333 challenge can definitely help you with solidifying those looks that are clothing items, that are important for you to have while you are away on vacation or meetings or whatever. So we're going to do this challenge, and I'm going to show you guys the 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 shoes that I'm choosing to pair with this challenge. Okay, so the first top is going to be a button down. Okay, ladies, I've already told you guys this on a previous video. You must have at least 1 white button down, or any color button downs. You definitely have to have white though, okay, in your wardrobe, okay? So this is one that I've had in my wardrobe for many, many years. So this is my first top. My second top is going to be a graphic tee, okay? And so this is the graphic tee that I'm choosing to style as my second top. Don't be afraid about the graphics, okay? So just because the t-shirt has graphics doesn't mean that you can't dress it up, okay? So right now it looks like, okay, that's just a graphic t-shirt. You probably have to just wear it with jeans. No, you can still dress up a graphic tee, all right? So don't be afraid of the graphic tees. All right, and my third top is a 1 shoulder. And so this is what it looks like. It's just a 1 shoulder top. This is going to be my third top that I'm going to style. All right. My first bottom is a pair of jeans, of course, right? We all have jeans. This is an old pair of jeans. You guys have seen me wear these pair on this channel many times in other videos. So pair of jeans, first bottom. All right. The second bottom is going to be a skirt, okay? And this is the only item that I most recently purchased, and I purchased it from Walmart because I'm going to be doing a Walmart and Target haul. Yes, I am. So those of you who've been sleeping on Walmart and Target, get ready. I got something for you. But anyway, this skirt is just a knit skirt that I got from Walmart, okay? So this is my second bottom. And my third bottom is going to be white shorts. Okay, so I just took a pair of white shorts that I've had in my collection for a while. I got these from New York and Company. So this is going to be my third bottom. All right. And for my 3 pair of shoes, okay, this is very hard for me, guys, because I am a shoe girl, specifically a heels girl. So to narrow it down to 3 pair of shoes, I was just like, oh, how am I going to do this? So what I did was I thought about, hey, if I'm on vacation, what 3 pair of shoes would take me through that vacation so that I have everything covered, that I'm comfortable when I need to be as well. So I wanted to make sure that I had shoes that could go for possibly any event that I might be going to, or an excursion or whatever if I'm on a vacation, right? So the three shoes that I chose are, the first one, sneakers, right? You guys have never seen me wear sneakers on this channel before because, you know, in all my other videos I'm usually wearing heels, but these are just simple sneakers. that you can throw on very quickly if I need to, if I'm, going, let's say if I'm on the beach or something like that, or we going on an excursion while I'm on vacation and I'm going to be walking for a long period of time, sneakers come in handy. Okay, so first pair of sneakers. Second pair, of course, are mules that are in right now for the season, and heeled mules. You guys have seen me wear these in other videos, so just some mules with heels. So we got to have a heel in there, okay? And my third pair of shoes are just some slides, okay? Some slides. Okay, so kind of like a little more elevated than flip-flops, okay? So just slides. All right, so those are my third pair. All right, guys, and here we go. So I'm going to style these 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 shoes to give you guys over 9 different looks. Okay, so here we go. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed all of those looks. I have two last bonus looks, okay? And so what I did was, so you guys remember the first top was the button down, right? Well, I chose to add in a button down shirt dress, okay? So the shirt dress. So if you happen to have your button down that's long enough that it can be a dress, then you can also wear your button down shirt, which is one of your tops, as a dress. Okay, so that's exactly what I wanted to show you guys. Although this shirt wasn't long enough for me to wear as a dress, I went and grabbed a shirt, a white button-down shirt dress that I already had in my collection. But the point I'm trying to show you is that if you find a shirt button-up like this that's long enough for you to also wear as a dress, bam, that's a bonus look that you can have while on vacation or away or whatever. So this button-down not only can be worn as a top, but it's now also a dress that adds on to another look that you can get from this one item. All right, and my second bonus is, remember the black skirt that I told you guys was a skirt? Well, it's actually a dress itself, okay? So I am wearing it as a dress. So if you find a skirt that is long enough, like a maxi skirt or even midi skirt that has the right material that you can pull up and wear it as a tube dress, then that's another bonus look that you get from that one item. Okay, so that's what I did, and you guys can see that in the cutaway. That again, I made my white button-down shirt a button-down dress. That's another bonus look. And I took the black skirt, pulled it up, and now it's a dress. That's another bonus look that you would get from these two items. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what items you would style. What would you take if you had to do or what would you choose if you had to do a 3-3-3 challenge like I've done? Please let me know in the comments section. Also, there is a notification button, guys, so you can definitely click the notification button and it will notify you every time I post a video. Okay, so if you could please do that, that would be very helpful. Please like this video. Please share the video, and I'm so glad you guys dropped in on me today. And until next time, family, I'll see you guys.